What if I told you that right now, small businesses in America are paying thousands of dollars every month to automate their work using artificial intelligence? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is true. AI automation agencies are becoming one of the fastest growing online businesses in America because companies want to save time, reduce costs, and increase profits using AI tools. But here comes the biggest question. How can someone actually start an AI automation agency business in America? Let's understand the complete roadmap. First of all, you need to understand what an AI automation agency actually does. These agencies help businesses automate repetitive tasks using artificial intelligence. For example, AI chatbots, automatic customer support, email automation, appointment, booking, lead generation, social media automation, data, management, and business workflows. Right now, many companies in America want automation because hiring employees for every small task is expensive. That is why businesses are rapidly searching for AI solutions, and this is creating massive business opportunities. The first step in starting an AI automation agency is learning basic AI tools and automation platforms. Today, many beginners use tools like ChatGPT, workflow, automation software, chatbot builders, CRM systems, and AI content tools to create automation solutions for businesses. The good news is that many modern AI tools do not require advanced coding skills. Some platforms allow beginners to build automation systems using simple drag and drop workflows. Now, the second major step is choosing your niche because not every business has the same needs. Some agencies focus on real estate automation. Some work with restaurants, e-commerce companies, gyms, clinics, or online creators. Choosing one niche helps you understand customer problems much faster. For example, a real estate company may need automatic lead responses, appointment booking, and follow-up systems, while e-commerce businesses may want AI customer support and sales automation. Once you understand a niche, you can start creating automation services specifically for those businesses. Now, honestly, one of the biggest challenges in this business is getting clients. Because many business owners still do not fully understand artificial intelligence, that means your communication skills become extremely important. You must explain how automation saves time, increases sales, reduces employee workload, and improves customer service. Many successful AI agency owners start by offering free demonstrations or low-cost trial systems to businesses. Once clients see real results, they often continue paying monthly fees. And this is where the business becomes powerful. Many AI automation agencies work on monthly retainers, meaning clients pay every month for automation maintenance updates and support. That creates recurring income instead of one-time payments. Now let's talk about earning potential, because this is one of the biggest reasons people are entering this industry. Some small AI agencies in America already make thousands of dollars every month, while larger agencies earn much more by handling multiple business clients. And honestly, this industry is still very new, which means opportunities are growing rapidly. Another important thing many people do not realize is that businesses are becoming more dependent on automation every year. Customer support, marketing, sales, scheduling, and communication are increasingly powered by artificial intelligence. That means demand for AI automation experts may continue increasing in the future. But here is something important. Using AI tools alone is not enough. The people who succeed usually understand business psychology, communication, sales, and customer problems. Because businesses do not care about complicated technology, they care about saving money, increasing profits, and growing faster. Now, another important question. Can someone start an AI automation agency without being in America? Yes, absolutely. Many people work remotely with American businesses from different countries. Around the world, companies are hiring freelancers and agencies online for automation services. But one thing is common in almost every successful AI entrepreneur: consistency. Because technology changes extremely fast, new AI tools appear constantly, and successful agency owners continuously learn, improve, and adapt. And honestly, this may be one of the biggest business opportunities of the modern AI era. Because artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it is already transforming how businesses operate across America. And the people who learn automation early may build massive companies in the future.